Welcome to the WordPress Beginners Training Series video number 6, Managing the Navigation Menu. Now that we have created some pages and have some content, let's organize the menu. To accomplish this, let's go to the dashboard. And when you've reached the dashboard, hover over Appearance and go to Menus. Now, the menu structure here that it gives you when you first create it is a little different than what you see on the page. We need to first create a home link, and this takes you to the URL of your site. So I am just going to highlight my site URL, which is webpages.lu.edu/site-tutorial. Yours may differ. So highlight that, and I'm going to copy it. So right click and copy. And see where it says links here, I'm going to click on that. It's going to slide up. It's going to ask me for the URL. So I'm going to hover over HTTP and right click and paste in there. And we can see that when we highlighted up here, HTTP was there, but it's hidden, right? So for the link text, I'm going to call this home for the home page. And then click add to menu. Dynamically, home has been created, and it's a custom link. Now, to move the home to the first slot, and it goes from the top is the first and the bottom is the last, click and hold the tab here and drag it up. And you notice that if I were to move it to the right slightly, the box in which it will be placed is slightly indented. That will cause the menu to become a drop-down menu. But I want to have this at the first slot, so it's home, about, blog, and contact. Now remember, I created another page called Courses I Teach, and I'm going to click on that box here and click add to menu. I'm going to drag the Courses I Teach page so it's between about and blog, and make sure it's not fly out menu. And finally, you have to click in the theme locations and make sure it's set as the primary menu. And when you're satisfied with all these changes, you can click on Save Menu. Now that the menu has been updated, let's go ahead and view our site to see what has been changed. We can see that the Courses I Teach is no longer on the end, the home is still there, and we have each of our pages. In this video, I showed you how to set up and manage the navigation menu.